fully automated flat gummy candy production line, intelligent control, precision molding, high-efficiency output and consistent quality. Driven by innovation, it propels gummy candy manufacturing to new heights. The steam generator produces high-temperature steam. In addition to steam heating, the heating method can be changed according to production needs. The sugar boiling pot allows for precise temperature control and efficient dissolution. Syrup is piped into a mixing tank for cooling to prevent thermal shock. The gelatinizing tank transforms dry gelatin into stable, fully active liquid gelatin. Gelatin solution is transported via pipeline to a mixing tank and mixed with syrup solution at a safe temperature. The mixing tank features precise temperature control and gentle stirring to produce a uniform casting liquid. The refractory material is conveyed through pipelines and enters the fully automatic casting molding machine. The spray nozzle sprays oil to form a uniform oil film on the mold, preventing the candy from sticking to the mold. The pigment solution enters the mixer, where the casting material and pigment are mixed and color matched. After color matching is completed, the refractory material is poured into the material tank for casting. The casting machine precisely injects equal amounts of syrup into the mold, ensuring stability, accuracy, and efficiency. The refrigeration unit rapidly and controllably cools the liquid syrup into solid gummy candies, making them easier to unmold later. The ejector pins separate the candy from the mold, allowing it to fall onto the conveyor belt for transport and lifting.
Lift the soft candies and place them on trays manually. Put the trays on the trolley and dry or cool them according to the process. Casting options include metal molds and P-tray multi-head casting. Place P-trays on chain trays manually and spray oil on nozzles to prevent adhesion before casting. This process meets the needs of mass production and various specifications. Manually take down the cooled P-trays and place them on the trolley, then dry or cool them as per the process. Steam or electric heating is optional for the drying room. Electric heating tubes heat evenly with full area hot air circulation, featuring fast temperature rise and accurate control to keep soft candies dry and non-sticky. Even cold air circulation in the cooling room quickly dissipates heat, cools and shapes the candies, preparing for subsequent packaging. After cooling and drying, put the trays into the demolding machine. Airflow separates soft candies from molds. Steam or oil spraying can be selected by process to help soft candies combine with powdered sugar and prevent adhesion.
The drum flavoring machine mixes and stirs powdered sugar and soft candy to prevent the candies from sticking together. The gummies are gently lifted by a Z-type elevator and then enter a 10-head scale. A 10-head scale ensures accurate weighing and consistent product weight. Fully automatic packaging machines provide efficient and stable packaging. The packaged finished products then enter the manual packing section to ensure that products maintain perfect appearance and quality.
Multiple packaging solutions are available to meet different production needs. Intelligent canning production line, automatic continuous production. The automatic bottle and scramble and conveys bottles in order. The counting machine realizes accurate counting and high-efficiency sorting, with quantitative filling ensuring consistent volume. The cap feeder delivers caps stably and accurately. The cap retightens precisely, with even force for airtight and from sealing. The induction sealer uses electromagnetic induction for instant heating, providing tight sealing to resist moisture, preserve freshness and prevent leakage. The labeling machine applies labels accurately, with flat and attractive effects, completing the finished product packaging efficiently. The rotary feeder conveys materials in order, ensuring smooth transportation of soft candies, uniform feeding without congestion, and efficient operation to guarantee production line continuity. Soft candies are packaged by the pillow packaging machine. The equipment has a wide application range, with straight sealing and attractive packaging, simple operation, film material saving, fast packaging speed and high efficiency, suitable for mass production.
We specialize in providing you with complete production solutions. This is not just a technological innovation, but a redefinition of the sweet experience. Inquiries are welcome. Let's create a sweet business together.